Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to warm up before a workout at home. Start with light cardio to gently raise your heart rate and increase blood flow to your muscles. This initial phase should last about 5 to 10 minutes, preparing your body for more intense movements. Focus on large muscle groups to get your entire system ready for exercise. Next, incorporate dynamic stretches to improve your flexibility and mobility. These movements actively prepare your joints and muscles for the workout ahead. Think about movements like arm circles, leg swings, and gentle torso twists. Aim for 8 to 12 repetitions for each stretch, ensuring smooth and controlled motions to avoid any strain. After dynamic stretches, move into some movement-specific warm-ups. This means performing lighter versions of the exercises you'll do in your main workout. For example, if you plan to squat, do 10 to 15 bodyweight squats. This primes your nervous system and reinforces proper form, making your actual workout more effective and safer. Your entire warm-up routine should typically last between 10 and 15 minutes. The intensity should be light to moderate, gradually increasing as you progress through the stages. Remember, the goal is to prepare your body, not to exhaust it. Pay attention to how your body feels and adjust the duration or specific exercises as needed for optimal preparation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.